Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show how I was able to make $600 in less than a minute. Alright, we're going to go to the strategies, put the parameters for this trade. Use bracket of 8, cancel at 10 seconds, time of 8, 14, 59. I'm going to trade 8 contracts, target of 8, stop of 8. I select the live account, select true, set enable strategy. That's we're going to use a bracket of 4, not 8. Select apply, OK, and strategy is enabled. In 10 seconds, our brackets are going to enter the chart. Brackets enter.
Order pending.
Go
Order
short
canceled.
for $600 in just a few seconds. If you're interested in becoming a member of our service, you can visit us at evtradingsolutions.com, select the payment button, and go through the payment process. If you want to know more information about our service, you could go to the contact page, fill out the form. Don't forget to give us a like, comment on this video, let us know how we're doing. See you in the next one.